Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set a reminder in the Blobby application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look at the top of your right corner and there you will see three lines. Press on it. And here in this page you should scroll down a little bit and you will find here the settings option. You can just press on it. And here in the first section of the settings you can just set reminders. You can set a reminder in afternoon, in evening, in night, or you can just have no reminder whatsoever. So I'm just going to set a reminder, for example, in afternoon, and you can just see that you have successfully changed your notification time, and that is how it is done basically. So you just press on it and it's going to be just selected, and the reminder is going to be on for that time. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.